is actually sitting in front of our favourite fireplace, and this is where we normally open our Christmas presents. But today my sister has received a craft gin club box, and this is a special surprise box for August. So Ursula's going to tell me everything about the craft gin club, and she's going to open the box to find out what's inside.
Well, this is August subscription, and it's a pay monthly or bi-monthly prescription that you can have. There's lots of introductory offers at the moment for discounts. So this is actually my second box, and I have some Softies Pitta Crisp Rosemary and Thyme.
Okay.
Some Pea Pods Smoky Barbecue snacks. I have some cheese and onion mature Irish crisps.
Oh, that looks very interesting.
Looks very tasty. Oh, these are
Irish.
Candy Kittens Eaten Mess, palm oil free. These are vegan sweets. These are great because I don't eat meat. These are wonderful crisps. My son loves them as well. And I have Active It. I've had one of these before. It's very tasty. This one's blackcurrant, apple and raspberry. And this has the B5, B6, B9, B12, C and D.
Could you show me the can?
Which is also really good.
So can you tell me about this? This is...
it's a vitamin drink. So it's flavoured water with fruit, and it's got added vitamins. All the vitamins that you need, obviously, when you are vegetarian or vegan. You do sometimes lack them.
Okay,
So
what else do you have in the box?
Okay, so this bit is the best bit, which is the gin.
Wow.
And the mixes.
Wow. Wow.
So what have we got here? So we have the tonic and some of the cocktail mixes. So this is double Dutch cucumber and watermelon. That's very
Double
nice.
Dutch, yeah, that's an expression in English, double Dutch.
Yeah. Oh, I've got some Grey Goose vodka. That's a lovely vodka. And this is Wild Leaf Atlas tonic. Never had that before.
Can I see that?
But that looks
A Wild
nice.
Leaf Atlas tonic, that looks very interesting.
That does. I've never had that tonic water before, so that's nice. And we've also got our Garden Breezer. This is a cocktail syrup, so you get a cocktail kit. That's what the vodka would be for the cocktail.
Okay, so that's actually for a cocktail, Garden Breezer.
And we have, before I look at the gin, we've also got this bit here, which is your garnish, which here is lemon and juniper.
Wonderful, and they're very common for gin.
And then the lovely gin that we've got this month, is called Love Day. Oh, that's lovely. And that's a really nice bottle. It's got Love Day down a bit and there. And it's Glasshouse gin.
Can I see the bottle?
Yeah, it's Falmouth and Cornish, Green of Living Things of Garden, a gin to conjure, sit it on the back step, warm ground underfoot. Distilled with fragrance lemon thyme, sweet fresh rosemary, bright and herbaceous and delicate peppery green flavour. Wonderful. I'm very happy with my my August subscription. That's lovely. And you also get your magazine.
Oh, tell me about the magazine.
The magazine has got all the information about the things that we've received. So you obviously I've got the things about the drinks. You also get discount vouchers in there, but we also get recipes for the cocktails to make and great drinks to make with the gin.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
So what you need now is a glass.
It is. All I need now is a glass.
Okay. That's
Wonderful.
lovely. Wonderful. What a nice surprise from your box. And each month you have a different...
Different gin, different cocktail, different snacks.
I might ask you, how much did this box cost you?
The subscription, as I said, have got offers on, so you can get discount off your first box and your third box. And otherwise, it's £45.
So that is £45 for all of that.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay, Ursula, so now we just need to enjoy them and make a cocktail and get a good gin glass.
Yes, exactly. Let's do that.
The price, I'm very impressed because this actual bottle of Love Day gin costs about £42.
Yeah, that's correct.
And so for £45, you've got all these extras,
It is
including
true.
a recipe book to explain how to enjoy them.
Every single bottle of gin, my last one I had, and when I was a member previously, a couple of years ago, Every single bottle of gin that I got was retail over £40.
That's amazing. So I'm going to really enjoy this with you one day, Ursula. Now I'm going to show you how to make the cocktail. So you have your glass, you have your rose ice cubes, slice of lemon, strawberry, and you have your double Dutch cucumber and watermelon tonic, and you have your garden breezer. So let's go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, I'm making the cocktail, so I've opened my tonic water. I'm going to put in my ice. The cocktail suggests that we use our lovely gin, and we use 50. That's 2 shots for anyone. 50 mils
Of Loveday gin.
Loveday gin.
And, oh, that looks great. Oh, have another one.
Feeding the roses,
that smells
Sophie.
really nice. Yeah,
Feeding
you
the
are
roses.
feeding the roses.
Oh,
Okay.
it does smell amazing.
And then-
And it says 100 mils, so that's half this bottle, that's 200 mils of this.
Of the tonic water.
I'd say that's about half.
Okay.
We're going to use 25 mils, as it says, of our cocktail. Syrup, top that in. Oh, that looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Okay, and now
And
we
then
just
we
need
just
to
put
add...
in our garnish. We put a nice bit of lemon there. And a beautiful strawberry. And now it's ready to drink.
Wonderful, thank you.